Have you ever encountered this annoying message? What have you done to make this go away? This happens when I access a document from Google Drive using Chrome or Edge. Here's what I already tried. I got this from Chrome's suggested troubleshooting guide. Link in the description box. I cleared cache, removed all extensions, updated Chrome version, restored to defaults. I even reinstalled Chrome. I also checked unwanted software, which it did not found any. None of this worked. I then tried adding no sandbox parameters in Chrome target link and updated group policies with gpupdate. But still no luck fixing this issue. Only one option worked for me. This is to install Firefox and access Google Drive documents from there. Saved me a lot of time trying to figure out how to fix this error. I still use Chrome as my main browser, but thankfully we still have Firefox to save the day. It works every time. Thanks for watching, guys. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Have a great day ahead.